2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, rear window defroster, fog lamps, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.